Hello everyone, today I start my class with module number 7 unit E, and the universal set is given to you, that is natural number less than 25, and find the subset of this universal set, that is A is equal to multiples of 5, B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2X, C is equal to factors of 25. So here you have to calculate the value of A. First we calculate the universal set. Universal set means these contain natural numbers less than 25. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 24. Less than 25 is written here. So here I have written 24. Now the values of A. Multiples of 5. So multiples of 5 means 5, 10, 15, 20 and after that 25. But we have to find all the values of A from only these numbers. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20. B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2X. It means it is a multiple of 2. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24 also. So these are the values of B. And C is factors of 25. Factors of 25 means 1 is a factor of 25. The next factor is 5. 5 is the another factor of 25. And after that, that's all. These are the only factors of 25. So here we have to write like this. Okay. So come to the next question. Now come to the module number 8. The question is find the complement of set. Here the universal set is given to you, that is 1, 2, 3 and till 12. And A is equal to even natural number less than 11. B is equal to factors of 12. C is equal to odd numbers. So this is given to you. Here you have to calculate. First we calculate value of A. Elements in inside A. Even natural number. Even natural number means which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, less than 12. Next even natural number is 12. So we write down till here. B is equal to factors of 12. Factors of 12. 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is another factor of 12. 3 is also a factor of 12. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. And then next 12 is a factor of 12. But we have to calculate it from till 12. So what is the answer? 12 is also the another factor of 12. Okay. C. Odd numbers. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 because we have to calculate till 12. So these are the factors. Now we have to calculate the complement of these set. Complement, then how do we find the complement? Dash means A complement. A complement means opposite of A or other element than the A. That is not 2 from here. So see, 1 is here, 2 is here, so we don't write. 3, we write down. 4 is here, so don't write. 5 is not here, so write down 5. And check it from this one. 6 is here, no. So 7 we write down. 8 is here, no. 9 is not here. And 10 is here, so 11 is here and 12. So this is called the A complement. A, B dash. B dash is what? Other than these elements, you write all the elements from universal set. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have written 5. 6 is there. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And C dash is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. It means these are all odd numbers. So we write down odd even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So these are the complement of A, B and C. Okay. Here the universal set is given to you, that is first 10 even natural numbers, and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, B is equal to multiples of 4. So first we calculate the value. In universal set means first 10 even natural number means 2, 4, 6, 8 till 20. A is given to you, B multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 means 4, 8, 12, 16 and then last 20. So these are the values of A, B and universal set. Now what we have to calculate here? So we have to calculate here, first thing which we have to calculate, that is A union B dash, means complement of A union B. So first we calculate A union B. A union B means collection of elements of A and B without repetition. So first we write all the values of A, then we check from B. 4 we already written here, 8 is already written here. Now write down 12, then 16 and 20. So this is called A union B. But A union B, complement of A union B, complement means the numbers other than the A union B from universal set. So B complement is elements other than the A union B. So check it from universal set. 2 is already written here, so don't write 2. 4, 6, 8. After that what? Here 10 is here, so write down 10 here. 12 is here, so don't write. 14 is not written here. 14. It is 16. Then 18 is not written here. Write down 18. So this is called A union B complement. Now the next thing is that you have to calculate A dash. A dash means numbers, elements other than the set A. Check it from here. 2, 4, 6, 8 are written here. So after that 2, 4, 6, 8. After this 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. These all are the A dash. And then B dash. B dash is equal to elements other than the elements of B. 4 is here, but 2 is not here. Just see this one, 2 is not here. So write down 2, 4, 6. 6 is not here. 8 is here. 10 is not here. 12, 14 is not here. 16 is here. Then 18 is also not here. So these are the A dash, values of A dash and B dash. Now what we have to calculate next? Then we have to calculate, prove that A dash intersection B dash is equivalent to A union B dash. So what we do here, we calculate intersection of these two numbers. Intersection means common element. So A intersection B dash is equal to, just see which one is common here. 10. 10 is here, 10 is common, and 14. 14, then 18. These three elements are common here. So A dash union B dash is 10, 14 and 18. And A union B dash is already, we find out that is 10, 14, 18. These two are same, so we can say proved. So hence proved. Okay. Now come to the module number 10. Here you have to calculate, you have to find A union B from a Venn diagram. So what is A union B? Just see, A union B means combination of A and B. Just see, I am drawing one red line here. So these all parts are called, this one is called A union B. And A intersection B means this small part. The element which contain in this part, that is called A intersection B. A union B complement. Complement of A union B means elements other than the A union B. So which one is A? A union B. A union B is this one. So other than the other part. The elements other than the A union B is called A union B complement. Okay. Now next is A intersection B complement. It means A intersection B is only this part. So leave this part. Rest of the part is called A intersection B complement. Now A dash means elements other than the A. It means leave this part and write it. So these are the some values which we can find out from the Venn diagram. Okay. Here come to the module number 11. Here you have to calculate A union B complement from this Venn diagram and A intersection B complement from this Venn diagram. Union B complement. A union B means all the element that is inside A and B, means this whole part is called A union B. And A union B complement is elements other than the A and B. The elements which are other than the A union B. So 7 and 8 are only numbers which are other than the A union B. So this one is called A union B complement. Now A intersection B complement. Now A intersection B complement means elements other than the A intersection B. So A intersection B means only this part, that is 5 and 6. So other than 5 and 6 you write all the elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7 and 8 also. 7 and 8. So these are called A intersection B complement. Okay.